Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Hope you're having a great week so far. Today is Wednesday, the August the 6th of 2025. We've made it today number 109 of this My Legion Secret Clickbank Challenge. All right. And if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, we are shooting a 365-day challenge where we are using one offer from ClickBank and we're using a service called My Legion Secrets. We're putting those two together. We're going to see if we can earn a full-time income doing so within 1 year of doing this method. All right. So if you guys, have no idea what's going on, go back and watch these previous videos so you can kind of get up to speed on what we're doing, kind of see where we started and see where we're going. Okay. So let's just go ahead and dig right into this video. Okay. We're on day number 109. All right, guys. So we're just coming along here in this video series. So if you guys don't know what My Legion Secret is, My Legion Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. Okay, so every day you come into this back office here, you're going to either see 100 or 200 new subscribers. All right, now what separates the two is how many accounts that you have. Okay, now the cool thing about My Legion Secret is that you can sign up for multiple accounts. Okay, that way, you will have multiple subscribers coming in from each account. Okay, and you can get as many accounts as you want. Now, I wouldn't recommend going out and getting crazy with it, but you could get, quite a few accounts and you can, make a nice income, nice bit of income using those accounts if done correctly. Okay. So, just a little bit about myself. I've been with My Legion Secrets over a few years now. I totally love the service. I've promoted tons of different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work. It does convert. Okay. The only thing about this traffic is that it is cold traffic. So these people, they don't know who you are. They don't know who we are. Okay. And they have to get warmed up to our email. Okay. So our offer, what I'm trying to say. So our job as affiliate marketers is we go out and we look for business opportunity offers because there's traffic. They only respond to people. These people on this list, they're looking for ways to make money. Okay. So our job is to go out and find offers that are related to making money. That way we can create an email around that. Okay. And then we become an affiliate for that offer and we send out that offer in an email. We send out an email with our affiliate link in the email. Okay. And then the prospect, they read the email, they click on our link, and then boom, magic happens, right? So that's pretty much the method in a nutshell. Okay. What we do is we copy and paste emails and we send them to this list of subscribers and we get results. All right. So this is what your back office is going to look like. It's going to look exactly like this, guys. The only thing different is going to be the emails that you send out versus the one I send out. Okay. Your emails are going to be different than mine. All right. But everything else is going to be the same, like all these tabs and all this stuff down here. All this stuff is going to be the same. Okay. And also your link is going to be different than mine. All right. So where you're going to be hanging out at once you get into your back office is going to take you to the home page. Where you're going to want to go is the mailing system. Okay. The mailing system is where you're going to send out all of your emails. So you would pretty much go down here. You would select all the emails that you have in your back office. Okay. And you would come down here and then you would, there's a subject line right here. And then there's also a body of text. Okay. I've already sent out my emails already today. You can send out one email every 24 hours. Okay. So you can come in here every single day and send out an email. That's the cool thing about this service is that you come in every single day and you send out an email. Okay. You don't have to wait, like with solo ads, sometimes you got to wait one day here and then wait a couple days and send out another. No, you can send out emails every single day with this service. That's why I love it so much. Right. So I can come in every day. Me personally, I have 8 different accounts. I come in every day. I send out emails in all 8 of those accounts every single day. Okay. And it takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to do so. It's very easy to do, guys. So this is the body of text, and then you have to click on this perfect timing. That's very important. Click on perfect timing. Okay. Now the offer that we're going to be using is the business opportunity offer that we're using is a offer on ClickBank called Social Sales Rep. Okay, which is live chat jobs on ClickBank. Okay, it looks like this. Okay, this is the home page on the affiliate page of the social sales rep. And you can find this offer on ClickBank. If you don't know what ClickBank is, go to clickbank.com, sign up for a free account. You can use some of those offers okay, that they have there. And then you can promote those offers and become an affiliate and you can make money from those offers. Okay. So this is the offer that we're going to be using, and you can use the same offer if you like, or you can use the other offers that they have on ClickBank. Okay, they have other business opportunity offers. I believe they have 5 other good ones that are really good. Okay, so you don't have to actually use this one if you don't want, but if you do, you can, right? And they all have email swipes. Okay, these are free email swipes that convert really good. So you can take these emails, these same emails, 1 through 20, and you can send these emails out to your list. All right. So, what you would pretty much do is send out all of these emails. Okay. And then you would pretty much just open up one and you grab the subject line, and then you come down here and you grab the body of text. And then you grab this affiliate link right here, and then you put the affiliate link in. You take this out and you put the affiliate link where it says click here, and you turn this into a clickable link, okay, which is very easy to do. All right. And if you don't know how to do it, just go back and watch my previous videos. Every video that I have, I walk you through this step by step every time in all these videos. Okay. So you can just, go back and watch those videos. Okay. Now, once you send out all 20 of these emails, what's going to happen is they're going to be stored in here. Okay. And the cool thing about MyLegion, they keep all of your emails, right? They keep them all in here. So all we got to do is take an email and then just take it and grab it and click load. Boom. It loads up for you. Okay. And then you can start back over to one all over again. Okay. So that's pretty much how you would do it, right? You would just send out all your emails first, and then you can just keep resending those same emails. And then after you resend them, you can always change those emails up. Like you can go to Chat GPT and different places like that, and you can change the emails, okay, so they can look a little bit different. But for right now, what I would do if I were you, just if you're just starting out, is just send out these emails that are already in here, that are already pre-written, that are ready to go. So you don't have to do any type of, guesswork or anything. You can just grab the email, bring it over here, and then just control V, right? Super easy to do, guys. And you do that with the body of text as well. So that's how you send out an email in the MyLegion secret system. You come down here and you click on send, okay, after you make sure your link works. And remember to put it in perfect timing so that way this email goes out and you get credit for it. Okay. So that's very important that you do that. All right. So if you want to get started with the MyLegion secret account, get you an account going, you come down here on the More tab and click on this link right here, this True Freedom link. It's going to take you over to the landing page, and this is where you get started at right here. Okay. You come down here and then you click join MLGS now, and it'll go ahead and let you join. And then once you join, send me an email. I do have a certain set of emails that I use starting out that help me kind of boost my sales at first. So I want to give those to you for free if you join today. Okay. There is a one-time charge of $60 and then $30 a month to keep the service. It's just a no-brainer, guys. Some of my accounts I've already accumulated 200 plus subscribers, and you can keep going even after 200,000. Right? I have over 200,000, but you can go as high as you want, right, on the subscribers. So the cool thing is that you can get as many as you like, as many accounts as you like. I wouldn't recommend going out and getting crazy on these accounts. I'll at least get 2 or 3 starting out, and then scale up to 5. Okay, 5 is going to be that sweet spot to where you're going to start, seeing results pretty quickly. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you send out an email in the MyLegion secret. Go back and watch those previous videos that I have. I explain everything in those videos. Okay. So let's go ahead and go over here to ClickBank. And like I said, ClickBank is a network platform that you can go to for affiliate marketers. And you can go and use some of those offers, those business opportunity offers for this traffic if you like. I created this brand new ClickBank account just for you guys, just to show you the results and what it would look like for you if you were to get started and start sending out emails every day like I did, starting from day number 1. Okay. And as you can see, we have been getting sales Here, this has really pretty much been the algorithm, right? So it used to be one, every week, and then it started bridging the gap, one every 5 days. Some days we get, sales in a row. Okay, it just all depends. But the algorithm, it seems like is every 2 days or every other day that we've been getting sales. Okay, so if you can see, we got a sale yesterday, and then also we got a sale the day before. I believe on the third we got a sale as well. So we got a sale that'll be paid out tomorrow. Okay. And then we did get a sale yesterday that'll be paid out on, I think, Saturday or something like that. Okay. So though that has been the algorithm, it seems like we've been getting sales on the days that we get commissions, right? So we got a sale right there, and then we got another sale right there. And then those are free trial sales, okay? And these are rebills from previous months or from previous days, okay? So today, let's go ahead and check today. Doesn't look like we earned anything today, so let's go ahead and check what that looks like. Okay, let's go ahead and go over to the reporting tab. And today is the 6th, all right? And it'll show us the results for the 6th. Okay, sorry guys, my internet's been acting up a little bit today. Let's go ahead and refresh that. If it wants to load for me. Yeah, I've been having issues, and I don't want to disconnect and reconnect on the video because it's going to mess up the video. So, yeah, I've just been having some issues today with the internet, guys. So just bear with me. If it doesn't load, you did see the results just a minute ago. I just wanted to show you the traffic to see what kind of traffic that we had. And hmm, okay. Well, it's not working today, guys, for my internet. Excuse my internet. I'll come back tomorrow and show you. Oh, okay, here we go. So just made took a second. So today is August the 6th. Today we got over 1,100 hops, and then we got over 1,000 unique hops, which is good. We didn't get any initial sales, no free trial sales. We didn't get any order form impressions, and we did not get any rebills. Okay. So, we blank today, right? And that's, like I said, that's been the algorithm. And I'm looking to bridge that algorithm pretty shortly here. Okay. And we're going to bridge that gap by doing a few things that I've done before. Okay. So I wanted to work up until this point, but not quite yet because I still want to show you some basic stuff right now. That way it'll be easy for you at first. And then as you start to earn income and make money with this, you'll start to make money and you'll be able to invest in certain things that you can use to kind of help you boost your sales. And as far as like, coming up with really good emails, and then also coming up with a squeeze page or some kind of bridge page to get to your affiliate link. Because right now, with all the money that we're making right now, we're just direct linking to the affiliate page. Okay. But that's not a long-term success with this method. Okay. There's other people that are doing it and they're successful in it. Okay. And you can be. Okay. It just may take you a little bit longer to get there. But if you want to hit the ground running, okay, you're going to probably want to create some kind of landing page or bridge page. Because I can tell you that when I created my bridge pages and sent out the same offer to the same traffic, my conversions were through the roof. Okay. So, and I'm going to show you that. All right. So, but right now, like I said, we're just going to stick with the basics and we're just going to do, super easy stuff like, copy and paste and using the affiliate links that come with the offer. So, I'm going to leave this video on that note. Okay, you kind of seen the traffic that we got. We did get some good traffic, pretty decent traffic, right? But we didn't get any initial order form impressions. Okay, and sometimes, like I said, that's just the algorithm right now. It's every other day, every 2 days on the sale, so we can expect to sell tomorrow because of what we did a few days ago. Okay, it's just kind of how I mapped it out just a minute ago. So. But we're looking to bridge that gap and get these sales a little bit closer because I want to be able to get to a point where we got results every single day. Okay, that's the whole goal here, guys. So I'm going to end this video on that note. I will come back here tomorrow and meet up with you tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.